Today you're going to make a pinch pot. This is a finished pinch pot. It's been cooked 2 times. It was made out of clay and then it was cooked and it turned white and then it was glazed and then it was cooked again to make it this bright, shiny, hard pinch pot. So today you're going to start with some raw clay, which is squishy and cold, but also pretty firm. So you're going to have to use strong hands to turn this into a pinch pot. And these are my strong stop sign hands. My fingers are straight and tight together. No floppy fingers, strong fingers. And the first thing you can do is take your clay and squeeze it with your strong fingers to try to make it like a sphere. A sphere is a 3D circle. It's like the math word for a ball. So strong hands, squeezing it together until you make a sphere. You could also roll it with your stop sign hands to help it make a sphere. Once you get a sphere, you're going to use your thumb of one hand and hold it in your other hand and push it in. This part is really hard to do. You have to have strong thumb, and you may need to raise your hand for help. So you're going to push your thumb in, and now we need our pinchers. So our pinchers are 2 fingers and a thumb. So I'm going to put my thumb back in its spot, and I'm going to use my 2 pinchers and pinch, a gentle pinch, pinch and turn, pinch and turn. And so I'm slowly pinching and turning. And I'm making a pinch pot. It's like its own little bowl. I'm going to keep doing that until I get it how I want. You might see that some spots start to get cracks. That's okay. You can use your fingers and smooth it out. You can also do some gentle tapping so it has a flat bottom. And I can even set it on the table and pinch and turn, but you want only your thumb inside. If you start putting your whole hand inside, it's going to flatten out. We don't want to do that. Just your thumb inside and fingers on the outside. You want it to be about the same thickness on the bottom as it is on the sides. So you don't want it real fat at the bottom and skinny on the sides. Here's one that's really thick on the bottom. And then the sides got really thin and skinny. We don't want that. We want it to be about the same all the way around. You can use the water on one finger to help smooth out some cracks. You don't want to use too much water. Too much water will turn your clay into a big mud puddle. So that's pretty much it. You pinch and turn until you think it's done. And then we're going to write our name on the bottom. And we have to let it dry so that I can cook it in the kiln.